Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I'm Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make an eggless mawa cake without oven. First let us make the mawa. To skimmed milk powder, add Amul fresh cream and milk and heat it while mixing it to make a smooth batter-like consistency. Keep on stirring for 5 to 10 minutes until the mixture becomes thick and your mawa is ready. Now let's bake the cake. To bake without oven, you need a heavy bottomed pan. Heat it on low flame and that's the preheating. While it's preheating, we'll make the batter. To maida, add corn flour and baking powder and mix to combine. And to butter, add the prepared mawa, sugar and cardamom powder and beat until it becomes nicely creamy. To the mixture, add curd or yogurt and beat well. This is the eggless cake, so yogurt is used instead of eggs. Now add the flour mixture, 1/3 of the flour mixture and half of the milk, and using a spatula fold it in. Next add the another 1/3 of flour mixture and remaining milk and fold in the batter. Finally add the remaining flour and make a thick batter. Before starting the batter making, you grease and line a 6 inches cake tin and keep it ready. Once the batter is ready, pour this into the prepared cake tin. And level the top. Now add some cashew nuts on top as a garnish. By this time the pan will be preheated. Now place the cake tin inside the pan, cover it and let it bake for 40 minutes on low flame actually. So insert a toothpick inside the cake and see whether it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Now very carefully lift the tin out of the pan because the pan is super hot, and place it on a wire rack and allow it to cool for 5 or 10 minutes. Then flip it onto your plate. Remove the lining paper and flip it back onto the wire rack. Allow the cake to cool completely before cutting it. Even though it's an eggless cake, the texture is very good. Try it out to find it out. You can use regular mawa, like whatever you get it in stores, you can use that also. This is a easy version of making mawa at home. So you try this and please share your feedback with me. Look at the texture, it's so good and it's very tasty too. I hope you enjoyed this video very much. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.